lab is very interesting and I'm very grateful to have it. It's a good lab and it's fun. We get it for a class period, so it's the best class period we have.
Students right here in this zip code will have access to cutting-edge technology that will engage them in hands-on, real-world experiences.
The 3D printers, they give me creative freedom of my mind. Like I can do whatever I want to.
It means a lot to me to know that they will put the money into the schools for us.
It kind of gives me a lot of hope. Schools actually care about what kids are passionate about and what they want to do. Like, it's freeing, kind of, being in a space where I'm allowed to create what I like and build on my passions.
We can go be doctors, lawyers, scientists, marine biologists, YouTubers if we want to.
We are so grateful to our partners, Verizon, Heart of America, and Arizona State University. Right here in 38127 in the Frayser community.
Greatness grows here. It starts with you.